Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by measuring the problem with an FPS overlay set to 60 or 144 Hz. Use Task Manager to watch GPU, CPU, and memory usage while gaming. Check Device Manager and the GPU control panel for driver versions. Download the latest WHQL or game-ready driver from the GPU vendor. Also open Windows Update and install cumulative updates plus optional driver patches. Restart the PC to ensure updates apply and check whether FPS improves after the restart. Open Power Options and choose High Performance or Ultimate Performance. This prevents CPU downclocking and reduces microstutter during gaming sessions. In Windows graphics settings, assign each game to the high-performance GPU. Use your GPU control panel to prefer maximum performance for the game profile. Enable V-Sync or set a 60 FPS cap if frame pacing is inconsistent. If you have a 144 Hz monitor, use Adaptive Sync to reduce tearing and smoothing issues. Close unnecessary background apps and disable overlays from Discord or other tools. Use Task Manager to identify and end high CPU or disk usage programs before launching games. Clean dust from fans and improve case airflow to prevent thermal throttling. Aim to keep CPU temperatures below 85 C under load for sustained performance. Check virtual memory settings and set a recommended page file size when using low RAM. Finally, verify SSD health and free at least 10%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.